What up guys, this is Pastor Canayo again. We're coming up with another tutorial in Python. So now we're going to be talking about for loops. For loops. For loops help us execute the same code over and over and over. So we're going to see that. So let's start. We start with the lowercase 4 space and then like the variable name, let's put a number, and then we use in range. For example, we wanna print uh, 10 times, right? And you end with column, and then you use print, and then you do number, and that should give you the range of numbers that you're requesting. Let's see, they give you 9. So it starts like on the list, right? So it starts with index 0, goes all the way to 9. What do you do if you wanna start number 10? Print number 10 from 1 to 10, 0 all the way to 10. So what you can do right here, you can just give another, you can start at 1, let's start at 1, comma, and then you do 11. So we'll start at 1, and then it will stop a number less than the end number, which is 11, so it's going to start in 10. I mean, stop in 10. So, okay. And right here we can just do done. Print done. So that's where we finish. Okay. Simple one. So now also how can we use for loops? We use with list. So let's create our variable my movies. And then let's add Superman, let's add Batman. Those are my favorite movies right here. Then comma, let's do a couple more. Let's do Spider-Man. Let's do let's do what is another Iron Man. Okay, so now we can use a for loop for this, so we can print that on the console. So let's put what will be the name. Let's give it a name. Let's put movies in, and then you do my movies, right? And then column, and then you do print, and then you do movies, and then if you want you can add another movie right here at the end. You can say all these movies are great or good, right? So that should print that list of movies that you have right here. Okay, let's on the console. Okay, we have Superman, we got Batman, we got Spider-Man, Iron Man, and the last string that I put right there. All of these movies are great or good, which we have all of this. Right, so that was a simple one of using for loops. I know there is just so many different examples, but this is just kind of like the basic and easy and simple one that you can kind of grasp and kind of follow and maybe come up with your own examples and stuff. Okay. All right, guys, have a good night, and we'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye bye.